Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Cricket League hack for iOS and Android. So I'm going to open it up right here. And as you can see, guys, we can add free coins and free gems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on right here. Just free coins and free gems. So let's see if it starts going up on the Cricket League. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. And hopefully it does start working, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download the modded version onto your device. Bang, guys, look at that. So if you guys want to get rich on Cricket League, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to download this modded version for your device, iOS and Android approved. So let's get into it. So first things first, guys, we're going to type tweakmod.com into the search bar. So in the site, guys, you'll see a lot of apps. So just go on the search bar, put Cricket League, and as you can see, there is the Cricket League hack. So press install, and now it's going to start downloading it. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification step. So this is the last step. You got to download 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store, and this will install the Cricket League hack into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's super cool, guys, if you enjoy this game, because you can actually get rich without having to buy anything, which is epic. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up here, as you can see. So we're just going to give it a second to go ahead and load. All right, and let's see what happens. All right, so it's loading right now, and you can see it says missing files. So what I have to do is download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Or I could do this DraftKings Casino, where I actually have to search something up. So there's different apps depending on the country. So just make sure you do 2 of them. It's super cool, guys. But yeah, if you play Cricket League, you will very thoroughly, I think, enjoy this for your device. It's super cool. So I'll see you guys later, and peace out.